Starting our Turkish style cream of tomato soup, we've put 4 tablespoons of butter into a pan to melt. And we're also adding 2 tablespoons of flour. As the flour and the butter is cooking, the color shifts to like a golden color or cream color. Adding tomato paste to the dry roux mixture. So it looks like we're adding about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste to the dry roux mixture. Actually a whole can. You want to mix this very well. You're going to blend this. And now, after you have your mixture, you're going to add boiling hot water to the tomato paste and dry roux mixture and stir it well. Whisk it. Now we're adding 1 cup of whipping cream or milk, and you want to whisk this as you add it to your tomato soup base. This will make it nice and rich and creamy. Half a tablespoon of salt to our tomato soup.
It's ready.
And it's ready. Is grating the cheese that will also go into our cream of tomato soup. And we're not at all concerned about adding additional calories.